Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Xbox. Come with the Microsoft account you actively use. This grants access to personalized privacy options. Once signed in, open your profile and choose Settings, then Privacy. This is where controls live. Make sure to confirm whether the account is an adult or child, because some options are locked for child accounts. Next, prepare to adjust communication, content, and sharing options. These sections each control different behaviors and should be reviewed in turn. Now you dive into privacy and online safety and decide between default presets or a custom configuration that fits your needs. Once selected, work through communication, multiplayer, and sharing. Each setting explains who can message you, join games, or see your activity. Use Allow, Block, or Friends Only to control interactions. Choose stricter options to minimize unwanted contact. Remember to apply changes for both Xbox One and Xbox Series consoles if you use multiple devices. Finish by saving every change and then sign out and sign back in so the updates propagate. This ensures consoles pick up the new rules. After that, test the new state by trying a party invite or messaging with a friend or alternate account to confirm restrictions behave as expected. If something fails, clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, and double-check Microsoft Family settings if the account is managed. These steps resolve most sync or permission conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.